Welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of epic motorhomes, jaw-dropping design, and next-level comfort on the road, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into what may be the most luxurious Kenworth motorhome ever built in 2025. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a 5-star hotel on wheels. From a private bedroom and full-sized bathroom to a gourmet kitchen in a living space that rivals most apartments, this Kenworth conversion is redefining mobile luxury. Let's take a full tour. Exterior and build 030. Narrator. Based on the legendary Kenworth T680 chassis, this motorhome combines commercial-grade power with custom-built opulence. The sleek two-tone paint job, chrome accents, and integrated slide-outs make it a real head-turner at any RV park. Under the hood, it's powered by a PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering reliability, torque, and enough strength to tow an additional trailer if needed. But it's what's inside that truly sets this rig apart. Living Area 110. Narrator. As you step inside, you're immediately greeted by a spacious living area. Plush leather recliners, a motorized 65-inch 4K smart TV, and LED mood lighting throughout set the tone for comfort. The walls feature handcrafted wood paneling with integrated storage, and there's even a built-in electric fireplace for that cozy, at-home feel. Every inch is climate-controlled, whisper quiet, and designed with luxury in mind. Dining and kitchen 2 o'clock. Narrator. Next up is the dining and kitchen area. You won't believe how much they've packed into this space. The dinette sits 4 comfortably and converts into an extra sleeping area if needed. Now, the kitchen, this is where it shines. We're talking a full residential-size refrigerator with a double freezer, a convection oven, a 3-burner induction cooktop, and even a dishwasher drawer. The countertops are quartz, and there's a deep stainless steel sink with a touchless faucet. It's a full gourmet experience, wherever the road takes you. Bathroom 3 o'clock. Narrator. Behind a sliding door, you'll find the spa-style bathroom. No cramped RV showers here. This one boasts a glass-enclosed rainfall shower, a porcelain toilet, heated tile floors, and a vanity that rivals any luxury hotel. Tucked neatly beside it is a stacked washer and dryer setup, perfect for long road trips where convenience is key. Bedroom 345. Narrator. The rear of the coach is dedicated to the master bedroom, and it's nothing short of incredible. A king-sized memory foam mattress sits beneath skylights with blackout shades. Opposite the bed, you'll find custom built-ins with a second smart TV, a vanity or desk area, and even a walk-in closet. Yes, a walk-in closet in a motorhome. Additional touches include under-bed storage, personal reading lights, and soft ambient lighting throughout. Technology and comfort 430. Narrator. This Kenworth motorhome is packed with smart tech. A central touchscreen controls lighting, climate, entertainment, and slide-outs. Solar panels power the lithium battery bank, and there's a silent diesel generator for backup. Wi-Fi, satellite TV, and 5G connectivity ensure you're always online, perfect for remote workers or digital nomads. Closing 5 o'clock. Narrator. From luxury to practicality, the 2025 Kenworth motorhome is truly in a class of its own. Whether you're planning to live on the road or just take a few epic road trips, this rolling mansion delivers on every front. Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you live full-time in this beast? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next tour. Let me know if you'd like a shorter version for Instagram, TikTok, or want visuals, script overlays.